How to fix Spotify error code Auth 16 on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then after this go to apps, and on apps search for Spotify, and when you found it just open it like this and go to storage option and go to clear data and click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.